Twingate versus Cloudflare. In today's video, we are going to compare Twingate and Cloudflare. So let's get started. Twingate is a zero-trust network access solution designed for secure private access to internal sources without using a VPN. It helps businesses provide secure employee access to private networks without exposing services online. So the next one is Cloudflare. So what Cloudflare do is you have to learn. So Cloudflare provides secure access control for both internal and public applications along with DDoS protection, WNCDN acceleration to enhance security and performance. So if we talk about their security, Twingate offers private encrypted access without opening ports, while Cloudflare provides a global security network for protecting public services from all the cyber threats. So, if you want to choose between them, pick Twingate if you need private, secure remote access to internal application without using a VPN. Pick Cloudflare if you need to protect both private and public applications, prevent cyber threats, and improve performance. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.